Happy Mardi Gras. This is Jesse coming to you from River Ridge, where we're trying to reduce the size of some beds and in some cases eliminate them completely. There's just way too much going on out here, and the customer's getting a little older and they would like less maintenance, so that's what we're hired to do. I will show you kind of what we're doing. As you can see, the guys are hard at work planting. Some plants you can see that they're planting are a little bigger than others. Some are coming out of brand new pots. Some are ones that we salvaged from some of the beds that we are removing. If you notice, this bed on the right is completely blank at this point. It was full of shelled ginger, which just looked horrible with the freeze, so we decided to remove all the ginger, and this will now just be a grass area. As well as up near my truck, you can see that bed is all cleared out minus the tree, which will be taken out tomorrow. These two areas are now going to be grass areas. They just had shelled ginger in there against the highway. You can't really see the house, you can't really see the landscape. So that was an easy removal. And then over here we had actually some good plants in there, some azaleas, some gardenias that were just getting a little too much sun out there. So what we did is we started moving them inside where they have a little bit of canopy from the crepe myrtle. You can see right here, these were all transplants. We got a good sized root ball on them, and we're repurposing them to go into this bed right here. Over here in the front of the bed, we had some beautiful shishis that were out in the ginger area, and we are actually gonna fill in between the 4 shishis that were already there to bolster up the look of the foundation shrubs. And you can see on this side, they've already got them planted, nice spacing, and those are gonna do great right there. With any job comes irrigation, and we found a lot of trouble with this one, which was off getting parts right now, but we had 2 busted valves. Not to mention we will need to change these pop-up heads to 1 rotor that'll cover that whole area, and we actually already have 1 rotor that is going to cover the new grass area over there. So in any landscape, you don't always have to throw everything away. There's plants that are in great shape, some were not in such good shape. You kind of decipher which ones are going to make it and which won't. And the best way to do that is by hiring a professional. And we can come out and kind of categorize what's good, what's not going to work, and how we can enhance the rest of the garden based on how much maintenance you want, really anything that you might need.